Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and connecting both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable screen mirroring on the TV and select the appropriate input or built-in casting app. On your Android, open Settings and search for Cast, Smart View, or Screencast, then tap to begin discovery. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and location permissions are allowed when prompted, because Android uses local discovery. After the TV appears in the list, you're ready to initiate the connection. You now select the TV from Android's cast list and accept the pairing prompt on the television. This establishes the session. Once connected, check orientation and set audio to TV or phone. You can stop and restart if audio routes incorrectly. If the image is cropped or too small, go back to display settings and toggle scaling or change aspect ratio on the TV. For advanced latency or resolution tweaks, cautiously use Android developer options, only if you understand the changes. To finish, stop casting via Quick Settings or the Cast app and close any active streaming apps to free resources. If the session stutters or disconnects, restart the router, phone, and TV and then reconnect, switching from 5 GHz to 2. 4 GHz can improve range but may reduce throughput. If problems persist, try a direct wired HDMI adapter for your Android. This eliminates Wi-Fi variables and gives consistent frame rate and audio. Remember, one reliable troubleshooting step is rebooting all devices before changing advanced settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.